students, welcome to the class. I hope you all are safe and sound at home. In the previous class, we have completed till Deccan Plateau. In today's class, we will know about the life of the people in different states. The states of Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Telangana, and Tamil Nadu lie in the southern mountain. The states lying in the Deccan Plateau are some of the fastest growing region of India. The states lying in the Deccan Plateau are the fastest growing region of India, blessed with natural beauty, rich mineral deposit and world-class infrastructure. The states are blessed with natural beauty, rich mineral deposits and world-class infrastructure. Let us know the life of the people in Jharkhand. The word Jharkhand means the land of forest. Jharkhand is known as for land of forest. Ranchi is the capital of Jharkhand. The state has vast mineral wealth and forest. The state has vast mineral wealth and forest. The important minerals are iron ore, coal, limestone, copper ore, bauxite, etc. The important minerals are coal. Jharkhand is famous for coal, iron ore, limestone, copper ore, bauxite, etc. Hence, many industries are located in this state. Some of these industries are Bokaro Steel Plant, Tata Iron and Steel Company, etc. The industries are Bokaro Steel Plant, Tata Iron and Steel Company. Jamshedpur, Sindri, Bokaro, Dhanbad and Hazaribagh are some important cities. These are the important cities in Jharkhand. Do you know Jamsetji Nusarwanji Tata was an Indian industrialist? He was an Indian industrialist. He is regarded as the father of Indian industry. The company started by Jamsetji Tata is known as the Tata Iron and Steel Company Limited. The company started by Jamsetji known as the Tata Iron and Steel Company Limited. Jamshedpur, also known as Tatanagar, is a city in Jharkhand that is named after him. It is named after Jamsetji Nusarwanji Tata. Tatanagar is the city of Jharkhand that is named after Jamsetji Nusarwanji Tata. Hazaribagh Wildlife Sanctuary and other reserves provide protection to wildlife. A wildlife sanctuary is an area where animal habitats and their surroundings are protected from any sort of disturbance. The capturing, killing and poaching of animals is strictly prohibited in these regions. They aim at providing a comfortable living to the animals. People speak Hindi, Bengali and Odia. The language spoken in Jharkhand is Hindi, Bengali and Odia. Many tribes live in this state. Rice is the staple food. Dushka and Sattu are commonly eaten. Festivals like Chhath, Diwali, Buddh Purnima and Durga Puja are celebrated in Jharkhand. Life of the people in Odisha. Odisha is located near the Bay of Bengal. Odisha lies to the southeast of Chhattisgarh. The capital of Odisha is Bhubaneswar. Cuttack is an important city and is the main industrial center. Odisha is famous for textile and silver work. People speak Odia. The language spoken in Odisha is Odia. Chilika Lake, the second largest lagoon in the world, is in this state. A lagoon is a body of water separated from larger bodies of water by a natural barrier. Lagoons are separated from larger bodies of water by sandbars, barrier reefs, coral reefs, or other natural barrier. The word lagoon derives from the Italian word laguna, which means pond or lake. The Hirakund Dam on Mahanadi is the longest eastern dam. The Hirakund Dam is the longest earthen dam in the world. Jagannath Temple at Puri, temples like Jagannath Temple at Puri, Sun Temple at Konark and Bhubaneswar are popular tourist spot. The Hirakund Dam is the longest earthen dam in the world and Bhubaneswar are popular tourist spots. The famous classical dance Odissi has originated in Odisha. Odissi has originated in Odisha. Mudi, puffed rice, known as puffed rice, is eaten in every house. Rath Yatra at Puri is the main attraction of the state. Rath Yatra at Puri is the main attraction of the state. Filigree, handicrafts of silver thread work, is very famous. Life of the people in Chhattisgarh. Chhattisgarh is a state in central India. Raipur is its capital. The Mahanadi is the main river of the state. People speak Chhattisgarhi and Hindi. Chhattisgarh is known as Kosa silk. Chhattisgarh is known for Kosa silk. The language spoken in Chhattisgarh is Chhattisgarhi and Hindi. Raut Nacha is the folk dance. There is a big steel plant at Bhilai. There is a big steel plant at Bhilai. Mineral like iron, manganese and coal are mined here. Linseed, rice, betel and watermelon grown in this state. Linseed, rice, betel and watermelon grow in this state. Life of the people in Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh is called the heart of India. Madhya Pradesh is known as the heart of India. The capital of Madhya Pradesh is Bhopal. Indore is the largest city of the state. The capital of Madhya Pradesh is Bhopal and Indore is the largest city of the state. Jabalpur and Gwalior are other important cities. They are the two other important cities, Jabalpur and Gwalior. Madhya Pradesh is a home to national parks like the Kanha National Park, the Bandhavgarh National Park. Wheat, rice, pulses, soya bean, cotton, mustard are the main crops grown here. Rice, mustard, maize and jowar are the main crops grown in Chhattisgarh. The state is rich in minerals like coal, iron ore and manganese, which are mined here. Gond and Bhil are the main tribes. Gond and Bhil are the main tribes living here. Diamond mines are located at Panna. At Panna, diamond mines are located. The Khajuraho temples and the Buddhist monuments at Sanchi are worth watching. The Khajuraho temples and Buddhist monuments at Sanchi are worth watching. Festivals like Holi, Diwali, Eid, Dashehra, Ram Navami are celebrated. The festivals are celebrated in Madhya Pradesh are Holi, Diwali, Eid, Dashehra, Ram Navami. Chanderi silk is famous for its fineness. The name of the silk is Chanderi silk, is famous for its fineness. That's all for today. We'll continue the same chapter in the next class. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.